runs endless by the lake. The sky burns gold in fading sunset lines, while hearts hold dreams that never seem to break. Oh, Minnesota, where the cold winds blow, you warm my soul in every winter night. Through frozen fields and rivers locked in snow, your memory still feels like firelight. Old pickup trucks on roads of dust and ice. A radio plays songs of love and pain. We learn too young that life won't ask you twice, and every loss still echoes like the rain. Oh, Minnesota, where the cold winds blow, you warm my soul in every winter night. Through frozen fields and rivers locked in snow, your memory still feels like firelight. The summer comes, the lakes begin to shine, bonfires glow beneath the open sky, and every laugh, your spirit feels like mine. No matter where I go or how I try. Oh, Minnesota, where the cold winds blow, you warm my soul in every winter night. Through frozen fields and rivers locked in snow, your memory still feels like firelight. And if I drift too far from where I've been, your voice will call me through the midnight air, like whispers dancing softly in the wind, reminding me that home is always there.